Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're searching for how to send USDT without TRX, this video is exactly what you need. Maybe you have USDT in Trust Wallet or TRON Link, but your TRX balance is zero. And now you're stuck because you can't send anything. I had the exact same problem. I needed to transfer USDT on the TRON network, but I had zero TRX for gas fees. And as you probably know, without TRX, the transaction usually fails. So I started looking for a real solution for how to send USDT without TRX. And I found something that actually works. It's called Zero Gas TRX. Zero Gas TRX lets you swap USDT to TRX even when your wallet has zero TRX balance. The best part? You don't need to buy TRX first. You don't need to ask someone to send you TRX. And you don't need to move funds between exchanges. Zero Gas TRX handles the gas fees using TRON Energy through smart contracts. That means if you're wondering how to send USDT without TRX, this is one of the easiest solutions available right now. Let me show you how it works. First, open Zero Gas TRX using the official link in the description or pinned comment. Make sure you only use the official website to avoid fake or scam copies. Once you're on the platform, choose the token pair. In this case, select USDT to TRX. Then enter the amount you want to swap. You'll instantly see how much TRX you'll receive. Next, connect your wallet. Zero Gas TRX supports most popular TRON wallets, including Trust Wallet, TRON Link, OKX Wallet, SafePal, Token Pocket, and Ledger. After connecting, confirm the transaction. That's it. Within seconds, the TRX arrives directly in your wallet. I tested this myself and it worked fast without any issues. So if you've been asking how to send USDT without TRX, the answer is simple. Use Zero Gas TRX to convert a small amount of USDT into TRX, get gas instantly, and continue your transactions. No stress, no stuck funds, no extra steps. If this video helped you understand how to send USDT without TRX, hit like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.